Don't smash your head on the rocks.
That's what I'm not worried about. Oh, I see a fish. Just jump! Can you give me a net? Can you say, like, jump on one? No. It's right in front of me. So just jump.
Give him the net.
There's two. Where'd the net go? Come right here. Oh, it slipped.
I put it away.
Okay. Alright, no net, Nick. I'll scare the fish away. Alright. I slipped. Oh my god. Come on. Oh, yeah. You're limp. Come on. How deep is it? Not deep.
Step down. See how deep it is.
It's like 2 feet. Come on, Nick. I'm getting ready to jump myself. I'm not gonna jump. Yes, I am. What's the deepest spot over there? Quit stalling, Nick. Ready?
Allie.
Yeah. That's cool. I gotta get cold. Ready? Yes. Oh, that's a nice fish. Looks like sturgeon. 3, 2, 1. I'm stalling, by the way. Mom made me. Get that away from me. Oh my god. I'm not the wind.